You cannot find Terminator getting to work for you. Be smart. Hi everybody, Dr. Daniele Gambero here, the propenomist, the fighting propenomist today from Kuala Lumpur. You see, common sense, jacket for work, hard hat. I'm going to fight Terminator, but Terminator is going to kill me. Machines are going to kill me. Who is inventing machines? Who is designing them? Who is programming them? We human. Meaning what? No need the head. I will make sure Terminator will work for me. That is how Industrial Revolution 4.0 will transform our life. But we have to be smart, understand how this it works, and get ready for the wave, for the disruption that is going to happen in the market in the next 10 years. We want you to be smart, we want you to be ready, we want you to get your survival kit ready to be used. How? Very simple. Leave a comment below. I want to know more. I don't want to fight Terminator. I want Terminator to work for me. You choose which one you want to put. You leave one of these comments below. We will reach out to you and make sure to pass you a survival pack of information for you to get ready. All right? Stay tuned. Don't miss one single video clip. Remember to like my page and this post. Leave the comment. See you all. Ciao.